Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we have the second in the series from Papa Smurf's mandatory metal box set. It is Demolition Alley, based on a 5-pin Yale night latch. So yeah, lock works good. That is the bitting. Hopefully you can see that. Couple of high pins at the back. So, locked up. Let's grab the old vise. Let's see if I can get this in the vise there. And we're going to use bottom of the keyway tension, kind of standard for me being a lefty, too big on the top of the keyway, and just a Sparrow's pick. So having played around with these a little bit over the weekend, this has given me a lesson in tensioning. It's honestly feather touch. So I'm just going for those, trying to get those two back pins set first. Dropping something there. And really not applying much tension at all to this. The front ones don't seem too bad. They seem to be somewhat setting themselves just with the motion of my pick. Okay. It's quite a deep false set. And there we go. We are in. So let's get the vise out the way. We can lock this up. Let's get the clip off the back and the pin and trays in. Have a look inside. Got this stuff. And I'll turn down the camera for this. That's not too bad. Okay. Always, let's see if we can get this clip off the back. Two seconds. There we go. It's okay. pop in a shim, and good, okay. So we have 5 pins as expected. Let's dump these out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So straight away, some heavy work done on the key pins alone. Yeah, so that's nothing in 1 there. 2, 4 and 5, I don't know if you can pick that up, has some ridges put in there. And shim out. Okay, come on. That's pin 1. So the spring tension on this definitely super light, and possibly maybe too light now. Three. That's 5. 4 still in there somewhere as well. There we go. How many springs is that? The springs are tiny on this. Seem to be missing one. I'm guessing this is possibly why the tension was supposed to be so light. I'm sure there's another spring in there somewhere. Anyway, I can have a further look. I've noticed as well it's going to be very difficult to see. But there is some milling and ridges being put in the Bible as well. It's hard to tell. Okay, so I will try and put this back together again somehow and see what the deal with the springs is. But in the short term, it's picked, and that is the pinning for it. So if you like this video, definitely give it a like. Please leave a comment. It's nice to hear back from the community, and give Mark some props for another cracking challenge lock. And I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.